Welcome to another episode of Supermom Interview. And today we have with us Ramya Reddy, and she's the founder of Blissful Parenting. And she's one of my students, and it's an absolute honor to have her here. And today I'll be asking Ramya about how her story has evolved over the last year or the last few months of her being a part of the Easy Parenting Hub community. And it is an absolute honor, Ramya, to have you and to see you grow so much over the last few months. So, Ramya, how are you feeling that you're a part of this interview? How does it feel?
I feel so grateful, ma'am, because I have learned so much from you, and today I have this chance to express my gratitude towards you in the form of this. So I'm so feeling grateful, and I'm so feeling thankful for God for giving me such a wonderful mentor.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much,
Yeah.
Ramya. And Ramya, so tell me one thing that how was your life before you started learning about parenting and before you got into the Easy Parenting Hub family? What were you doing and what was like a typical day from your life? What did like a typical day from your life look like?
So, ma'am, before I came to know about this, I was a Zumba instructor. So I used to work as a Zumba fitness instructor, and I used to like wake up, do my chores, and be with my child. And I was still like self doubt and guilt is all true because I'm working as a fitness instructor. I don't know whether I'm doing perfect for my child. Although I used to get calls from all the relatives who have become new mothers, and they will be asking me all the doubts. I used to clarify them, I used to help them, and still I used to doubt myself, and I used to feel like, am I really doing everything for my child that I can? No. Always I used to answer myself no. And this is the first thing. Then the second thing is I used to complain a lot. There are certain family issues, and I used to complain a lot on my husband. Like whatever happens, I used to blame my husband, or I used to blame. Sometimes I used to blame my parents too, and I was like complete confusion state, and also I I can't even express how stressful I am, how anxiety I am, and at a certain times I used to fight with my husband, where I used to say that I wanted to die. I mean that is, I want to do suicide also. That is all happened in my life and all, and everything was messed up. And always I used to look for perfectionism as a mother. I never compared my child to other, but I used to compare myself with other mothers, and I used to feel like all mothers are doing so much for their child, but I'm doing so little. And trust me, ma'am, I have never taken my child to hospital for until 1 year unless for vaccinations. Unless for vaccinations, that care I have taken. No, any kind of diarrhea kind of things happened. I used to give him full food, like nutritious food, only homemade. I used to make homemade Cerelac and everything. Even still, I used to complain about myself. I was not satisfied. The thing is, I was not satisfied with myself.
Yes.
So all these things are happening, and suddenly one fine day, I got like uh, came to know that I am pregnant with my second child. And trust me, ma'am, I fought with my husband that I should not say that word, but to remove my pregnancy because I can't be another child. And in that mindset, I was, and also we are financially a little tight at that time. And by support of my mother and my sister, I was able to buckle up and fine. Let me anyway. I have already came to that. I cannot kill my own child. We have to take before precautions, but not after. That I was like, I used to cry a lot even during pregnancy until I came across video on mass about a platinum showcase in the month of April. That is during my 8th month of pregnancy in
Wow.
April 2023. I came and I was like, uh, do I really need to learn? I don't know. Will I get something through this? I don't know. I came very blankly to your showcase, ma'am, and I told my husband, "This is what I'm going to do. I want to do much better for my child, and now I'm going. I am pregnant with my second child, and I want. I had to learn parenting, that is when I can give much more to my children. So that I have decided, and he was like, fine, you can do it, but now you have few weeks down to the delivery date, so due date. So he was like, okay, fine, you can do it, just wait little more time. And I waited, and right after I told Kanak that I need few more weeks for the payment and all because I'm pregnant and all, she was like, okay ma'am, no problem. She was so friendly, and you actually accepted my request that after the pregnancy, the same amount that you promised me to give back, that you have promised, and I was so grateful. And in the month of October 2023, when
You
my
directly
child,
came for the platinum membership.
yes,
You've
yes,
not done gold, diamond. Okay,
no
amazing.
ma'am, no diamond, no. I directly jumped into that, and I started learning. So before learning, this is my journey where I went to even up to suicidal thing and all. I was so messed up.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
So how has it been for you ever since you started learning? Like, have you seen a lot of shift, or what shifts have you seen in yourself ever
I
since you?
have seen three major shifts, ma'am. That first thing, I stopped complaining. I started to trust myself in a way that even something negative happens, I am able to see the positive side.
Yes.
So one of the example is that, uh, my father-in-law used to complain about my parenting and all. He used to suggest and all. I used to get so little tempered, and I used to shout at my husband, but not my father-in-law. I'm not doing anything with them, but I'm doing with my husband. And now the same things is repeating. And before I used to shout at my husband. Now, fine, they are telling the suggestions. No, let it go. They don't know what I'm doing exactly at my home because they are staying in another place and we are staying separately. So they don't know. So let it be. They are assuming, they are giving suggestions. Let us take it and just pass it on. That positiveness shift I have seen in my first thing, ma'am. And second thing is, I started to realize that I used to complain to my husband that everything is happening because of you. You are the only reason. Before marriage, I used to be not like this. I used to be so happy. I used to be so composed, calm. I like, true, ma'am. Before marriage, I never shouted on anything. But after that, there is something difference happened, but I'm not able to realize and note that. But after joining your classes, I have noted that self-care is a thing that is missing in my life. Before the joining your classes, I used to not take care of myself. I used to, like, although I used to be fit and all, I don't watch movies per se. I used to not go outside anywhere. I used to sit always at home and all. But before marriage, I used to go. I used to chit chat with my friends. I used to spend time with my other family relatives and all. But that is not happening, and that is why I realized after joining a class how important for a mother to take care of herself first. That makes a big difference. That I have learned. Once I started to take care of myself again, I was so calm and composed the way I used to be before marriage. So this is the second major shift, ma'am. And third thing is, I started to connect spiritually to my inner self, to be exactly to my higher self. I again started meditation, and now I have joined this Mahabharata classes and all to give more up to children. I wanted to inculcate our culture to in this parenting and say this to my clients so that the mothers can help their children grow culturally too with our roots and all. So these are the three major shifts that I have seen in my life after joining Easy Parenting Hub with you, ma'am.
Right. And how does it feel like to have your own community like Blissful Parenting Hub? Like, you started off as a parenting coach, and was it always on your plan that you want to be a parenting coach, or you just joined for your children and then this happened for you?
Exactly, ma'am. I have no idea that I would become a parenting coach. Truly speaking, ma'am, I never paid for Easy Parenting Hub to become a parenting coach. It all happened after, yeah, introduction video that I have seen on your website. There you have mentioned one point that once you have sit with a guru and you have learned from the guru that what we have known, we have to let pass on the knowledge because that knowledge should not get wasted. And also I have this thing for children, ma'am. I love children. I love to spend time with children. And trust me, ma'am, even before marriage, there is a kid opposite to our house, and I used to bring him and I used to make him grow with my family. And still, even till now, he will call me, Akka, how are you? He will be asking about he we meet occasionally and all. He used to spend time more with me only. Even around the children, all the children used to spend time with me. So that thing for my liking towards children made me take this decision. I wanted to bring change in their life, but I cannot directly impact them. One way is if I become a parenting coach, I can help mothers bring that change in children. They can help grow them. One thing, ma'am, I always start to think about this is in my childhood, I used to always think about the negatives before joining. And after joining, I have looked through my childhood differently because I used to play freely, ma'am. I don't have much toys, but I have real friends. I used to go play on the roads freely. There is no such noise, this much pollution. Everything is not there. And all these communities are happening now. But at that time, we have small houses, independent ones, and we used to come even right after school. We used to go directly to play. Yes. That how freely we have played and we have enjoyed everything. But today, children, there is social media that is actually taking them down. You know, even working parents, they were like, let them let us give the mobile to them. At least then we can do our work. That is the thing they are thinking, and they are giving mobile so easily. But that has moved me so much, man. That thinking that happened only after joining Young Kids. I have seen my childhood completely in a different way. These all I need my children to have, and even all the next generation should have. So that is the thing. One major thinking happened, and I wanted to become a parent. Anyway, I have the source, so why waste my knowledge just keeping to myself? If I share, I will be able to spread love to the children indirectly, maybe not directly but indirectly. So yes. That is the shift that I have analyzed, and I wanted to become a parenting coach, and I started my community.
That is so powerful. From being a homemaker, just going to summarize the whole thing that you shared, like from being a homemaker who was complaining, who was stressing, fighting, not feeling good about herself, always feeling less about herself, to now being somebody who is being able to ignore things very easily, not taking everything to your head, to your heart, not fighting, not complaining. Yes. And now also, working as a parenting coach. And you mentioned that you are working for a school, right?
Yes, ma'am. I have sorry to not mention, I have just posted on the WhatsApp and all status that I have become a certified parenting coach. I'm going to help mothers and all. And the school actually is, my son goes to that school. They have seen it, and they have actually approached me saying that if we can introduce this at school, even we will have something to change in children as well as the parents that they have mentioned. Wow. And so I was so
the status they approached you.
Yes, ma'am. The status that I have posted that that I have become a pro, and also all the reels that you have given us, all the information I have been posting, and through that they have approached me, and I was so grateful that just after 2 days I started posting. On the third day I was called for that.
Wow,
that is the great thing. I always say God that my mentor should be growing so much. Only then we can get so much.
Thank
Because you
you.
are such a you no ma'am. The information that you give us, it's not what we are taking from us is really less. That I truly feel from my heart, ma'am. Because that much information you are giving us, that much support you are giving us, and also the community of the mothers to be mentioned. We have a nine people right now. We are practicing to ourselves. We became best friends, although we are from different cities. I got some really great friends, ma'am. That I have really like so heartfully thankful to because as I told you, I never go speak outside and all. But now I'm able to share everything. Even if I have little lowness and everything, I just drop a message in our group. Whoever is free at that time, they'll call me. What Ramya, what is happening? Come on, let me know. And we are like every Tuesday we meet, ma'am. We meet on Zoom, and one mother takes the session like practice. So they'll get utilized, we'll get new information shared, and this all is happening just because I joined your community. That is why I always feel grateful, and also I am so thankful for universe for showing me such a good path. I'm
Yes,
so happy for that, ma'am.
thank you so much, Ramya, for all that credit. And I want to appreciate you for taking that first step because I truly believe that, change, becoming financially independent, making more money, none of this is difficult. What is difficult is taking that first step. And for you, especially
Yes.
because you directly came into the platinum membership,
Yeah.
and and also the intent, because I think that your intent is very pure, because of which, just like a few reels on Instagram and just that one WhatsApp message, one WhatsApp status that you put, and you ended up with a job with a school as a parenting coach. I think that is just, it shows how pure your intention is. Because, one of my mentors, Blair, he says that when your intention is right, then the universe will bend backwards to make all the resources available to you. So I think
Yes, ma'am.
this is
That
such
is so true, ma'am.
story. And
Yeah.
also the shift that we see, I think it's because of the group energy, the community that we are building together. And I think that is the biggest gift I think God has given me, the gift of you and all the other mothers in the tribe. And I think the shift and the breakthroughs and the transformation is happening because we are working together as a family. So
Yes, ma'am.
thank you so much, Ramya, and thank you for your time. Thank you for sharing this. It is such a beautiful story of a beautiful transition. And yeah, you mentioned some big words like suicide, and
Yes.
yeah, so I think from that space to coming to this space, I think this is such a beautiful journey. And I'm sure only more is waiting for you with this
Yes,
intention.
ma'am.
Lots of mothers, lots of children are waiting for you. So continue the good work. Do not stop. Keep sharing the knowledge.
Yes.
And I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. And those of you who are watching this, and if you would like to be a part of the community, I've put the links below for the free masterclass for the Platinum Showcase. So make sure you join, because anything and everything is possible if you trust yourself and if you take that right step. And like you kept mentioning mentors, I feel for myself also that everything that I am today, I think it is only and only because of my mentors. So we all need mentors, and I
Yes.
think that can just make our life so easy, so much better, and more intentional. So I think that's beautiful, and I'm so proud of you, Ramya, for what you're
Thank you
doing.
so much,
I've
ma'am.
seen this beautiful shift in you, and I'm sure that I want to have you back on this interview, and I want you to share more wins and more breakthroughs with us. So I'm so proud of you.
Sure,
Keep
ma'am.
doing the amazing work that you're doing, and I'm sure your husband is also feeling good now that you're
Yes,
not
ma'am.
fighting with him.
And he is the one actually seen the huge shift in me, ma'am. And he also says that he's so thankful to. I'm so thankful to Riddhi, ma'am, because you have changed, and that is actually affecting my and our relationship too. So
Yes.
that is what he has seen, and he was so. He always said, "I am so thankful to." Whenever he feels that there is some fight is going to happen, I was like calm and okay, fine, go. And he just did. I am so grateful to the ma'am. That is the only thing he mentioned, ma'am. So he was like so happy that he always say that I am also so proud of myself that I actually agreed to for you to go for the I mean to join the Easy Parenting Hub. So I also grateful for I will also tell that yeah, I'm so grateful for you that you have actually paid. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much, that I always say. So
Amazing.
we are not fighting and our relationship is really like blooming now, right? Yeah,
Yes.
that is what I actually see.
Yes, amazing. Thank you so much, Ramya, for your time. And may your relationship keep blooming. May you keep traveling. And thank you for sharing those beautiful pictures that you shared with me. It was so
Yeah.
heart touching to see those pictures. And keep growing and sending you lots of love and deep, deep gratitude. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much, ma'am.
It was a
Yeah.
pleasure having you. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Awesome.